My name is Socorro Dunn. I used to be an administrator and operations manager for our international brokerage firm. I had a dream that when I got married and I had kids, I would love to stay home and raise them. So when I got married, my husband and I agreed that I was going to stay home with our kids when they came along. So we started our business. We started a small business, and it was long hours, hard work. We were responsible for everything. And children came, and it was working fine until we had a hurricane hit our city and the market crashed. That crushed our business, it crushed our dreams, and it crushed my husband's health. We found ourselves no insurance and no savings. We found ourselves in the breadline and government assistance. That was horrible. Then we had to find a way to get income, and one way would be for me to go out and find a job. That means trade time for money. And that churned my stomach, because where would I leave my kids? I would have been already homeschooling them. So an opportunity came that I could help my family with their health and their finances. I started seeing results, and when I looked into the company closely, I loved their longevity, their generosity, and their integrity. And their mission, just loved it, and it matched mine. That was a soul for me. So I have more options now. My kids get to see me, and I get to go do things with them. We've taken family vacations, and I get to help others, but I can't do it alone. Would you join me? You can DM me if you're interested, dunn6@sbcglobal.net. And Pat, I would love to have your input on my signature talk.